Super duper welcome to my channel. People, today's topic is that how I am growing my network on internet. Digitally, how I'm growing my network. So I'm gonna tell about all the social media platforms I am using and how I'm using them to grow my network and my business. So people who know me, Tanmay here, and who don't know me, hi, my name is Tanmay Sanap and I'm a startup growth coach. Video marketing is my specialty, and on this channel you are going to learn about entrepreneurship, startup and business, digital marketing and all. So let's get started with our topic. Boom.
I am on a mission to help 10,000 entrepreneurs to grow their business digitally. You got the best business on your side. Now, raise the money, hire experts and grow. I am here to answer your questions. Start making video content.
So here is the mind map that how I'm growing my network using this all social media platform. So if you are beginning, if you are just starting, then don't worry that you have thousands and thousands of connection, lakhs of connection. Everybody starts with zero. I also started with zero, and right now also I have average connections, not that much, but those connections are so strong that helping me grow my business. So you don't need lakhs of connection. This is the first point. Don't worry about if you started a YouTube channel, if you started Instagram and you have only 10, 15, 50 followers, subscribers, doesn't matter. Okay, I am growing my network on these major 5 social media platforms: Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook and LinkedIn. These platforms, every platform is different, audience is different on every single platforms. I have youngsters connected with me, some major people from their field, and Twitter is, there are so many authentic people from they are 10 times better than me, but they are connected with me, and how that I'm gonna tell you. So Instagram is how I'm using Instagram. What you have to do when you are using Instagram, just don't run behind the numbers. Grow your connection while using every single social media platform. So how I'm doing weekly lives on Instagram, maybe 1 live session or 2 live sessions. So how you have to go live on Instagram, either you do it alone or have a partner with you, 2 partner, 3 partner with you. So this is going to help your audience to identify, or they will understand that you are authentic person in the field. So what I do, I just reach people randomly, but who are above average people in the field. So I am in a digital marketing field, so I just DM people who are digital marketers, who are in the same field, and I tell them, I request them, just let's do a live session on a particular topic, question answer session, or what is their specialty, whatever, and we do a live session weekly, 1 live session or 2 live session. So this is what happens when we go live on Instagram with someone who is from the same field. Their audience also see our content, and they just get connected with us. This is very important. So that's why I'm doing live session on Instagram. If you do alone, that's also good in the beginning, if you do not find anybody, but I'm suggesting you just DM people from the same field, and you will get people response actually if you just do not send them a spammy message. Be authentic and send a good message, and people will be happy to connect with you. That's very important. And Instagram is a platform, when if you find the right kind of audience, then you will grow like hell. It's very easy. So start doing live sessions, start DMing people, and just don't spam. So next platform is YouTube. So on YouTube, what you have to do, I have so many videos on YouTube, so people comment below that videos. So you have to reply them with a personalized message. So this helps in connecting people more strongly. People believe you that, oh, this person made time to comment me, and you can build a good connection with them, and they stay connected. So you can actually get projects, and I am getting project inquiries when I do this personalized message and comment in the comment. So next part is Twitter. Twitter is the best place to make connection. All the platforms are on one side and Twitter is on one side. So start spending more time on Twitter. So how you have to spend time? Just tweet and connect with more people, engage more. Unless and until you do not start spending time on Twitter, you will not understand how to grow Twitter and how to actually make the connection on Twitter. So you'll understand in 30 days, 40 days. It's easy, just spend time. So how I'm using to grow my connections on Twitter. Twitter has a function feature that Twitter Spaces. So what is happening in Twitter Spaces? So many people from different niches host a space. There is a host and co-host. We people actually discuss a particular topic, like I explained you in Instagram live. Just take a topic and discuss. Same way Twitter Spaces, in Twitter Spaces people take a particular topic and weekly they just host a space. So people from different niches or people who want to listen that topic, about that topic, just join in the Spaces. Spaces is an audio format, audio feature, so you just can just put your headphone in and just start listening. If you have any question, you can request people that I have a question. You ask people XYZ about the question and people actually answer your question. It does not matter how big they are. You know, this is the best part of Twitter Spaces. You know, you actually can talk in Spaces. So what I am doing, I am starting spreading my knowledge in the Spaces. So there are 100 and 200 listeners in Twitter Spaces. So what happens when you say something, you spread your knowledge, people actually get connected more deeply with you and they start following you. And when they start following you, it's not like you don't have to celebrate like you're a celebrity. You have to send them a personalized message that thank you for connecting, and you have to build a connection with that person. So this is how slowly you have to grow your connections and networks. Building a connection is, it's the more personalized you go, the more deeper connection you can make. It's not, don't feel like a celebrity if you have thousands and thousands of followers. Every follower is a responsibility. Every single follower is a responsibility. So on Twitter, I'm going inside Spaces, talking inside Spaces, listening to the Spaces, and that's how I'm connected to so many people who are above average, who are greater, who are in the field from years and years, but they are authentic. They are sharing good knowledge, and I'm connected with them because of their, value. So next part is again DM. So what you have to do, I used to DM people on Twitter and used to request them that let's go together on Instagram and do a live session on XYZ topic. So this also helped me to build an authentic connection with that person. So they are also above average people, and if they agree, then their connection also helped me to grow faster. So again on Twitter, if you DM 10 people, you will get reply from 7 to 8 people. Twitter is an authentic platform. So same way, if I send DM on Instagram to 50 people, I will get only 10 replies in. So this is how every platform is different. If I send 100 DMs on Facebook, I will get only 5 or 6 replies. So that's how it works. So Twitter, if you're not on Twitter, just jump to Twitter. Twitter is awesome. Next platform is Facebook. So Facebook has so many groups in Facebook. I have joined so many Facebook groups. So what I do, I make 7 posts weekly. So I post those posts in the Facebook groups as well, in my page as well, and inside that Facebook group, when I post a particular post, people comment in below that. Then again, I send them a personalized message that I can help you XYZ, and I build a network. And what I do, whatever post I post, these posts are mostly helping posts. If you need a kind of help or XYZ, then people comment yes, or yes, I need help with growing my product, I need help with digital marketing. And then what I do, I tell them that okay, let's get connected on a 15-minute or 20-minute free consultation call, and this is how I give them value and they stay connected with me. The same way you also have to do the thing. Free value is, so many people are thinking, why should I give value for free? In the beginning, you have to give free value. So I'm daily at least 2 sessions, 15-minute 20-minute calls I'm doing. Next part is DM. Same thing again on Facebook. Just go inside the groups. There are so many people who are posting like me, and below their post there are so many comments. So if you have a relevant comment and if you think that you can help them, again directly go and DM them that I can help you, a good message, don't spam, and you will get a connection. Next thing is offer free 30-minute consultation call. Okay, that's done. Next thing is LinkedIn. Now I'm exploring LinkedIn. And what is LinkedIn? Also a good platform. When you send a connection request with a personalized message, people connect, and on LinkedIn there are professional people. Their LinkedIn is not a time pass platform. If you have a good niche, a particular niche, like I have a digital marketing, a strong niche, micro niche, video marketing, so I can actually find the people who are actually related and relevant and need my particular service on LinkedIn, and I can directly send them a connection, and we can start a conversation related to the business. So LinkedIn also a good platform to make a connection. LinkedIn is all about connections, so you know that. Next is a tip, that one platform to another. What does that mean? What I am doing, whenever people get connect with me on Facebook or XYZ, I have a special Telegram group, a VIP Telegram group. So I tell them to join my Telegram group, and there are so many people inside the Telegram group. So we discuss, because everybody is from the entrepreneur or startup or business field, we discuss about that, and people get more connected, and they just get connected with you more deeply, because you are helping in a Telegram group, personal Telegram group. So you are more connected, you are more deeply near them. So this is how you have to just take people from one platform to another platforms, and you have to provide value. Let's talk about authenticity and value. Whatever you do, whatever DMs you are sending, just don't spam. You should provide value. Don't run behind subscribers, followers. These are all secondary things. First thing is, you have to help people. Go with the intention of helping, go with the intention of providing value everywhere you go, on the Twitter spaces, in the groups, in DM posts, wherever you go. Your first intention is that you have to give, and then you will get return. This should be your first intention. So that's it for today, and if you like the video, you know what you have to do, and thank you for watching. Stay connected.